Imagine harmony isn't a ladder you climb to reach a destination, but a room you're standing in. In traditional music, chords are like gravity. They pull you toward the home base. But what about modal harmony? That's gravity-free. It's not about where you're going, it's about the color of the air right where you are. In this world, chords don't have a job or a function. They don't need to resolve. But we aren't lost. We still have a modal center that keeps us grounded. Think of your modal center as the sun. Everything orbits it. If we are in C major but start our journey on F, we enter the Lydian world. It feels ethereal, right? But the orbit is delicate. If you use a D minor chord over that same melody, the same Lydian melody, the gravity shifts. D minor is a heavy planet. It hijacks the center. And suddenly, you've been sucked into D Dorian. To stay weightless, we must avoid the magnet, the dominant chord. Using a GPS chord like the A7 to get to D minor tells the listener exactly where they are going. The tritone resolution snaps them back to reality, and the modal mystery is gone. Instead, we use neutral supporters like E minor or some other chord containing the modal character note. It supports the melody without pulling you out of the orbit. On that note, to keep us from drifting into the standard major-minor world, we use lighthouses. Pedal notes. It can be a single unwavering low note in the bass. And an ostinato, a repetitive melodic pattern that locks the listener into the mood. Standard chords are built in thirds. They are sturdy, like bricks, but quartal chords, built in fourths, are like glass or fog. They are vague and unpredictable, breaking that tonal anticipation that makes music feel expected. Modal successions shouldn't be busy. We use simple repetitive cadences to emphasize the center. And you can also create a color contrast by jumping between two different modal worlds from different keys, or not. Many fear the tritone because it usually wants to resolve. But in modal music, that tension is our flavor. In F Lydian, a sharp 11 is the spark that makes it magical. And in Dorian, a D minor 7 add 13 contains the same tritone, but it doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't want to. It just floats. In this world of modal harmony, we stop thinking of chord progressions and start thinking of tone colors, and you can use these tools to achieve that. Whether you use the pure modal harmony or a mix of both, you are the architect. And whether you ground your listener or let them drift, the atmosphere is yours to design. Thank you for watching, and until next time.